This delicious and fragrant food called Pachini with Iranian saffron is a delicious Iranian food. Pachini is one of the delicious and nutritious dishes that is both cheap and easy and quick to prepare. You can use it as an appetizer at parties. Ingredients: chicken arm equals 6 pieces, onion equals 1 piece, sour lemon juice equals 2 tablespoons, corn flour equals 1 tablespoon, sesame equals 4 tablespoons, roasting powder equals 1 cup, eggs equals 1 piece, Parmesan cheese equals 2 tablespoons, salt and black pepper and thyme equals as needed, saffron mixed with hot water equals as needed, oil equals for frying. Instruction: for Pachini, we use the upper part of the chicken wing, which is the chicken arm. Peel a squash, grate it, and put it in a bowl with sliced onion, saffron, sour lemon juice, salt and pepper, and stir well until the ingredients are absorbed by the chicken. Let the chicken soak for a few hours or overnight. After the chickens are tasted, while holding the chicken arm with one hand, make a cut with the knife at the top to separate the meat from the bone. Now, with the help of a knife or hand, pull the arm meat down to completely separate it from the bone. Take the arm meat towards the end of the arm and turn it over. The flesh becomes almost round and ball-shaped, and the end of the arm contracts. If the meat is not well formed, do not worry, shape it with your hands. Later, it gathers better in the flour and eggs that you beat and catches itself. In a bowl, mix together the baking powder, salt, pepper, thyme, Parmesan cheese powder, and corn flour. Beat the eggs in another bowl. Now, first beat the prepared arms in the flour mixture until it is well covered, then beat in the beaten egg and beat in the flour for the second time and shake well until it is completely soaked. Prepare all the arms in the same way. Pour a relatively large amount of oil into a saucepan or small saucepan and heat over medium heat until well heated. When the oil is well heated, place the prepared pancakes in a saucepan and let them fry well over a gentle heat. Remove from the oil and place on a kitchen towel to remove excess oil. Then serve in a suitable dish with your favorite vegetables or French fries.